Good morning, students. This is Dr. Divya. Here I'm teaching you about Chara. Chara belongs to division Chlorophyta, class Chlorophyceae, order Charales, family Ariaceae, genus Chara. So occurrence fresh water. Plants encrusted with calcium carbonate is known as stone warts. Vegetative structures. Multicellular, they are multicellular, macroscopic, filamentous, branched, main axis, and rhizoids. So rhizoids lower and branched and multicellular. They type of uniserrate, oblique septate, no nodes and internodes, arise from rhizoidal plates, main axis. So it has a main axis like erect and branched. It differentiated into nodes and internodes. Internodes looks like a long single cell enveloped by corticating threads, and nodes looks like short regularly arranged cell bear branches. Branches are two types, like branches of limited growth, we can say like short laterals, and branches of unlimited growths that are type of a long laterals. Branches of limited growth, they are primarily laterals. Leaves and branchlets rise from peripheral cell of the node. Limited growth and limited number of nodes and internodes, they are arises shorter unicellular branches from nodes, and this type of branches known as like a secondary laterals, bears stipules, and fertile branches like bear sex organ. Branches of unlimited growth, they are long laterals, and they arise from axil of primarily laterals, and they arise singly and unlimited growth. Nodes and internodes cortications bear primary laterals. Cell structures, two types of cells. So at the apex and at the nodes, they are type of small and isodiametric, and they have a central nucleus. They have granular cytoplasm, and this type of a chloroplast numerous discoid, even distributed, no pyramid type of chloroplast found in Chara. Internodal cell, they are elongated, large vacuole, cytoplasm in nuclei and peripheral. Chloroplast, these are type discoid, numerous and longitudinal. Cytoplasm, peripheral stationary layer, they known as a like a exoplasm, inner fluidy endoplasm. Movement type of the cyclosis movement in found in cell. So cell wall, cellulose, they made of cellulose, semicellulose, lignin, pectin, mucilase covering calcium carbonate. Cortications, so internodal cell in-sheath by elongated corticate threads, and thread consists of smaller type of cells. Half of corticating arise from upper node, other from lower node. Reproduction. Vegetative and sexual method is found in Chara. Vegetative, so amylum star, bulbil, and secondary protonema. So first is amylum star. So star-shaped aggregate of vegetative cells is found in in vegetative reproductions of Chara. Lower nodes and store reserve food detached from parent, and they make a new plants. Vegetative reproductions, second type of vegetative reproduction found in Chara, that type of bulbil, so that are small and rounded tuber-like structures develop on rhizoids. And third one is secondary protonema, nodes and rhizoids. Protonema-like structures, new plants. Sexual reproduction. Oogamous type of sexual reproduction found in Chara. Sex organ large and visible. Male sex organ is known as antheridia. We can say globules. Female sex organ is known as oogonia, and this known as like nucleus. Homothelic means monoecious, both sex organ on same plant, and heterothelic dioecious, and different sex organ plant in different plants. So nucleus is always about the globule, large, spherical, red, bright orange colored, stalk pedicel, outermost wall, type 8 large closely fitted curved cell, shield cells encloses an internal cavity. Globule, manubrium. So center of shield cell looks like a rod-shaped handle-like cell. First capitula, more or less rounded cell at the end, and in turn possess secondary capitula. So branched or unbranched antheridium filament. This type of a spermatogenesis filament. Mature globule, shield cells move apart, expose antheridial filament, and they make a 200 androcytes. These type of elongated and coiled biflagellated antherozoids. Oogonium, nucleus. So these are the macroscopy. They have a short stalk. They have a node, homothelic. Nucleus is always above the globule, and 5 spirally twisted cover except at the tip of type of tube cell is found in Chara, and corona cell 5 at the tip of. And egg center uninucleate, rich of food material is a oil drops and starch grains, and receptive spot like tip of the egg and hyaline. Fertilization. So numerous biflagellated antherozoids liberated outside and swim water-rich nucleus. Tube cells elongated near the tip and form neck, and narrow central slit in the corona passes for antherozoids. So only one penetrate the wall and fuse with the egg zygote. Germination. So diploid nucleus migrate towards apex, secrete cellulosic cell wall, yellow and brown, and wall of the tube cell of oogonium, and thick and sculpting. That zygote settles at the bottom and undergo in resting period. So germination of zygote like that. These are the successive stages in oospore germination.